What even is okra unless it's battered, deep fried, and served with a side of ranch? Well, today we're taking this Southern classic and making it a bit healthier while still keeping that crispy texture and delicious flavor. And it's all thanks to our air fryer. We'll start by prepping the okra. You'll need about 1 pound of it. And a quick tip here, I learned this recently that okra that are a little bit shorter and smaller, about 3 to 4 inches in width, tend to be the most tender. So avoid getting ones that are much bigger than this. Cut and remove the stem end from all of the okra, and then slice them into half-inch pieces. To bread them, we're going to be using a 3-bowl technique, starting with a light dusting with flour, dipping in an egg wash, and then finishing with the breadcrumb coating. This method ensures that the breadcrumb coating actually sticks to the okra instead of just falling off into your air fryer while cooking. To the first shallow bowl, you'll want to add half a cup of flour. A gluten-free 1-to-1 blend can be used if needed. To the second bowl, add 2 large eggs and 2 tablespoons of milk. Either regular, soy, or another plant-based alternative can be used. To the third bowl, add half a cup of Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. This is my trick to getting a ton of flavor without using too many ingredients. 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk this all together until it's well combined. Then add a handful of the okra pieces to the flour and toss them to completely coat all of the sides. The breading won't stick to areas where the okra isn't covered in flour. Shake off any excess and then add the okra pieces to the egg wash. Flip them over to completely coat in the wash. Use a fork to remove the pieces and make sure to let any excess drip off. Place the okra into the breadcrumb bowl and shake the bowl around until they are all almost completely coated. Use your hands to press more crumbs into all of the uncovered sides. And don't forget to shake off any excess crumbs. Add the breaded okra to a 6-quart air fryer that has been preheated to 380 degrees for at least 3 minutes. This is super important as you want your air fryer to be nice and hot before adding them in. Spread the okra out into a single layer to ensure every side is exposed to the heat. And then spritz the surfaces with nonstick cooking spray. This little trick will give them a lovely golden color and an extra crunch. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through cooking. My goodness, these look absolutely incredible, but guys, they're missing one very important thing. There we go. Oh my goodness. They're so crispy, but that okra is still so tender on the inside. They taste like they're deep fried, but they are so much healthier for you. And I know I just glazed over what I just showed y'all a second ago. So let me back up here real quick. If you want to know how to make that homemade ranch dressing, I have got you covered. Check out this recipe right over here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you in the next one.